We're replacing garage door rollers on this 16x7 overhead door. And even though I have brought my Demco hinge roller replacing tool, I'm gonna do this old school because I believe that when it comes to these square hinges on these garage door systems, replacing the garage door hinges and even the rollers, even though I'm not replacing the hinges on this door, just the rollers, it's a lot safer to have the door closed to be able to do this. We're gonna show you how to do that in this video. Let's party. So this tool doesn't work very well. Might as well just put it back inside. Do it the old school way. Is your garage door a safety hazard? Don't wait till your next expensive garage door accident to happen. Download our free Garage Door Safety Scorecard and check for potential dangers like faulty sensors, worn torsion springs, and more. Get peace of mind and keep your family safe. Click the link in the description below and get your free Garage Door Safety Scorecard today.
Excellent. Very good.
So the whole point of this video is that when you are replacing rollers to a garage door that has these square type hinges, keep in mind that you won't be able to use the tool that I use from, it's not Dasma, it's Demco. These tools that enable me to basically pop out the hinge and the roller from the track. It's just not as easy on these square ones. Nevertheless, what I've demonstrated in this video is just the fact that you can take off the actual hinge and replace the roller to it. We've done it to basically all of these, even the bottom one. The bottom ones have been changed as well. But the point that I'm trying to get at is just take into account that there's always a will. If you have a will, there's a way. And so this is the way that we would have done it on this door. Of course, if you have a different way of doing it, I know some guys like to bend the tracks. I know some guys like to take them off while the door is up. You can do it however you want. I prefer, and I always think safety first, I prefer to have the door closed to be able to replace the hinges. It might be a little slower, but it is more thorough, and it gives you the opportunity to know and recognize how your door works, particularly if you have a garage door system, again, with these square hinges. But now that we've done that, we've replaced them, and with the garage door opener, this LiftMaster opener, we should be good to go. Now, the pro tips, techniques, and ideas in this video should not be considered law or infallible, but it's important that you do your due diligence and understand what are your specific garage door needs and circumstances. As always, I want to thank y'all for partying with me. Y'all stay safe.